I literally rushed home from work so I can unbox this with you guys. So let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I'm going to be sharing with you my Louis Vuitton unboxing. So let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got from Louis Vuitton, then keep on watching. So I've been wanting this bag for quite some time, ever since I saw it on Foxy LV's Instagram. I knew that this was it. This was the bag I needed to get. So I've been stalking the website. It was always unavailable, of course, as always. And then I happened to check the in-store availability and I saw that one of the locations had just got one in. So I immediately texted my sales associate at that location, and then she said that she just got it like 5 minutes ago and she rung up the transaction and shipped it to me. So I'm super excited. So let's get into the unboxing. So I did get it from the boutique and they did put it in the sealable box like they do when you order it online. Again, pull tab here. Just gonna go through it because I'm just super excited. Right. And then opening it up. Oh. There it goes. It says Louis Vuitton. Here's it. Okay, so here is the shopping bag. It kind of got a little bit squished, but it's okay. We're here for the bag itself. And yes, this is going to be a handbag. It is not an SLG. Oh, so my receipt is not in here apparently. I'm hoping that it's inside the actual box itself. But let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, so she did the bow really loose. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm like super giddy. I don't know why. No matter how many Louis Vuitton unboxings you do, you're just always excited for these purchases. So I'm going to open it up here. And then taking it out. Oh wow, so she didn't include the receipt, which is really strange. Normally I always get a receipt. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to send her a text after this, but we're here for the bag. Any guesses as to what this might be? I'm going to give you guys a peek first. So here it is. This is going to be the Louis Vuitton Keepall XS in the monogram Eclipse print with the reverse monogram touches as well. Oh my god, can we just take a moment to like observe this beauty? Oh my gosh. I'm just shook. So here in Canada, this does retail for 2,410 Canadian dollars. And just after tax, it's about $2,723, give or take. But I just knew I had to get this. And to be honest, this is a little bit expensive for what it is. A couple $100 more and you can get a full-size Keepall 45. Because I believe Keepall 45s are about $2,840. If I'm not mistaken, I will leave a price over here. But you know, I'm a huge mini bag person and I just had to get this to add it into my collection. So you'll notice that it does have the Keepall silhouette and then it has the leather handles. And then what I absolutely love about it is it has like this gunmetal hardware. So the zipper pull does say Louis Vuitton on it. And then the little grommets here do say Louis Vuitton as well. I'm going to give you guys a full spin of the bag, just like Autumn Beckman would do. So this is the front side, the other side, back side, and then the reverse. And then let's go ahead and open her up. And then, so you do get the strap with it. Let's let's see, as well as this little leather piece where you can put it like on your shoulder, so that way it makes the strap a little bit less hard on your shoulder. And then it does come with the 2 tags. So this bag is made out of coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. And then if you do want to purchase this bag, the product code is M45947. And then honestly, oh, okay. And this is made in France. Yay for me. And I don't believe this bag has a date code because as you know, Louis Vuitton is phasing out the date code. But on the inside, it's literally just like a black hole similar to the Speedies. But I am absolutely in love with this piece. I'm super, super happy and super grateful to add this into my collection. This is actually a Christmas present to myself. I know it's a little bit early, but I just had to pull the trigger and buy this for myself because I did work hard this year, and this is my bag. Like I just had to purchase it the minute I saw it on Foxy LV's Instagram. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like with the strap on, or actually I'll show you the details of the strap. So the strap is in the reverse monogram Eclipse. So I actually do love the reverse monogram Eclipse print. I think it's really great. You do get these clasps here that do say Louis Vuitton on them as well. And then there is actually 5 holes, so you can adjust the bag to the desired height that you do want. And then you do have 2 loops here to keep the ends from coming out. Absolutely love this, and the strap is also in gunmetal hardware as well. So let's see what it looks like with the straps on. The zipper is a little bit tough, but I think it will loosen over time. It's not as smooth as my other Louis Vuitton zippers. So let's see. I will include a little bit of a snippet of me wearing it so you can see what it looks like on me. And for reference, I am 5'7", but this is what the bag looks like with the strap. I absolutely love the bag with a little bit of the reverse Eclipse. I just think it just adds that little bit of oomph to the bag. And this is currently at the longest setting possible. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.